How to awaken your angel engine. Step 1. Create your mainframe. Step 2. Prepare yourself for what is about to commence. Step 3. Blade, blade, blade. Awaken the machine's hunger.
Jeff? Did you hear me? Jeff? How was it, being dead and all?
Fuck you.
Sorry, what was that, Jeff?
I said fuck you. Now turn off that camera.
Good one. Almost got me there.
I'm not joking. Turn it off.
I don't quite understand. You do know we are live, right? What are you doing? Stop it!